Hello my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about isoelectric point of amino acids, most important topic from these biomolecules and proteins, and what is isoelectric point and how it is calculated and everything we will discuss. Before going further, I just want to show you India's largest scholarship examination, score examination. Why this is India's largest scholarship examination? Because this scholarship examination provides you the scholarship worth of 1 crore rupees, and also study setup and a laptop will be given to you, and educational allowances, and also up to 100% scholarship based on the course you opt for it and based on your performance. And while it in the description box, link is available, and you just fill the form and you enjoy this score examination. And to write this examination, you may be a student of Infinity Learn, or you may be a student from any other school or a college, still you are eligible to write this. And one more important thing, this score examination is purely online. You can sit at home and you can write it. While late, grab this opportunity and click that description box, and the link is available, and you enjoy the score examination. All the best. One more important thing, whenever you are preparing for any examination, you need to know where you are exactly standing. So for that you need a specific designed, scientifically designed assessment for your examination preparation. For that, Infinity Learn is offering NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, and this test series pack include 27 AITS examination, 13 unit test, 4-part test, 10 grand test based on NEET pattern, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test, and 25 NEET topic wise FAQs, and 3 physics, chemistry, biology book with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance reports for every test. And last but not least, your performance is benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students. And in the description box, link is available, and click it, and the cost is 5,999 in the special discount for limited period offer, and you will be given this for when you apply this coupon code YouTube 50 off coupon code you enter, then you are going to get it for the cheapest price 2,999. So why late? Grab this offer and enjoy your NEET preparation with lot of interesting things. Okay, all the best, and let us go into the isoelectric point. So amino acid has both amino group and carboxylic group. So when you see this amino group and carboxylic group, the carboxylic group can be ionized in the acidic medium, basic media, and amino group is ionized in the basic media. So there is a pH where the both carboxylic group and amino group are ionized, and it maintain overall charge is neutral, and that charge and that pH is called isoelectric point. At isoelectric point, the pH at which there is no net charge on the amino acid. So let us talk about molecular level, what is the pH, how it is going to be changed. For an isoelectric point, so you can say there is no, the net charge of an amino acid will not be 0 at all pH values. So the carboxylic group is weakly basic, so that an acidic enough pH, like pH is going to be 1, the carboxylate of amino group will be protonated to a carboxylic acid. Then net charge will be, then is going to be positive 1. So this is a zwitterion, and if pH is drastically decreased, make it 1, so that amino group is protonated. So the net charge is +1. The point there is that there is definitely pH at which the positively charged amino group form becomes dominant over the neutral form. So let us say it is a neutral form, no net negative charge. So let us say in the other way, if the pH is drastically increased, in net charge is 0 in the zwitterion form, if the pH is drastically increased, make it 14 in the presence of sodium hydroxide, this sodium hydroxide is going to ionize the carboxylic group but not the amino group. So there should be a pH where the pH dependent structure of a typical amino acid, you can say this is your amino group, okay, in the pH is acidic and pH is basic, carboxylate is going to be ionized, and the pH whenever it is acidic, the amino group is going to be ionized. So there should be a pH, a specific pH for a specific amino acid where there is an existence of a zwitterionic form. That pH is called as isoelectric pH. Every amino acid will have its specific pH value where it exists as a neutral form, and that pH is called as isoelectric point or isoelectric pH. At this isoelectric pH, you can see the mole percentage positively charged form dominating here. So this pH and mole percentage, and negatively charged form dominating here, and there is a mole percentage at highest. This is what is a isoelectric pH value. This is what is it. It could be exactly 7, it could be less than 7, or it could be greater than 7. So let us see how to calculate the Pi value, and Pi value, this isoelectric point value, the amino acid is not moving under the influence of the electric field, mind it, because it exists as neutral. Now how to calculate the isoelectric point for a neutral amino acid? For an amino group with 2 pK values. So for this amino group, let us say it is going to be COOH group, and it is going to be NH2 group, and this is hydrogen and this is R. Depending upon R, there are 20 different amino acids. Let us say here this has a pKa1 value and this is a pKa2 value, and the average of this pKa1 and pKa2 is said to be isoelectric point. Say an example for glycine, pKa values of 2.34 and 9.60 experimentally found, and the Pi value is going to be, take just average 2.34 plus 9.6 divided by 2 is going to be 5.96. So glycine is going to be neutral at 5.97 pH. And similarly, if more than one group is there, you can see, let us say like alanine is an example. Its pH value, carboxylic group and amino group. Carboxylic group has 2.34 and amino group has 9.69. Take the average. So 2.34 and 9.69 divided by 2 is going to be 6.02. Let's take a basic amino acid then, and it is a lysine is a basic amino acid. So its value of the carboxylic group is going to be 2.18, and one amino group is going to be 8.95, and another amino group is going 10.79. So to calculate the Pi value, take the similar ionized groups and their pK values, and it is going to be 8.95 plus 10.79 divided by 2 gives rise 9.87. And let us take an acidic amino acid. Lysine is a basic amino acid. Let us take about acidic amino acid, glutamic acid, carboxylic group and amino group. So similar groups are carboxylic groups now. Carboxylic group pKa1 2.19 and other carboxylic group pKa1 4.25, and the average between 2.19 and 4.25 is said to be 3.22 is the amino acid Pi value, glutamic acid here. So to calculate the pH, today we discussed about the Pi value, isoelectric point value. In this isoelectric point, simple summary, the pH at which the amino acid is neutral, and that can be calculated by taking the average of the pKa values for the neutral, and for acidic or basic, the average of two similarly ionizing groups pK values are taken. So based on that pK value calculations in the NEET examination, one question can be answered. Okay. So stay tuned for such type of sessions. Every day I am coming up with a small topic, and I am giving you the tricks to calculate the problems and also grab the marks. Okay, stay tuned and please like this session, share with your friend, subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.